In this video, I'll guide you through how to hide completed tasks in Microsoft Planner. If your planner board is starting to feel cluttered with old or finished work, this walkthrough will help you clean things up visually without actually deleting anything. We'll look at two simple methods, one that works within each column and another that gives you a clean slate view across your entire board. Let's start in the board view, where your tasks are organized into buckets or columns. By default, Microsoft Planner doesn't delete completed tasks. Instead, when you mark a task as done, Planner moves it into a special section at the bottom of that bucket called completed. This is helpful for record keeping, but it can also make your board feel busy if you're done looking at that work. So first, make sure you're on the board tab of your plan, then look at any one of your buckets or columns. Scroll down to the very bottom of that column and you'll see a section labeled completed. Inside that section, you'll find the task cards that were previously on the board, now grouped together because they're finished. To hide these cards, look for the small arrow or caret icon next to the completed label. Click that arrow once. When you do, that section will collapse. All of the completed tasks in that column are still there, but they're now tucked away and no longer taking up screen space. You'll just see the word completed in the arrow, but no individual task cards under it. You can repeat this for each bucket where you want to reduce visual clutter. This is a great approach if you still like having a quick indicator that completed tasks exist in that column, or if you occasionally need to expand the list to double check details like due dates or notes without hunting for them elsewhere. If you ever want to see them again, just click the arrow a second time to expand the section and the completed task cards will reappear. Now, if you want a more dramatic cleanup and prefer not to see completed tasks at all, including their headers, you can use the filter feature. Think of this as your clean slate view for active work only. At the top right corner of your planner board, you'll see a filter button. Click this to open your filtering options. A panel will appear, and in that panel, look for the section labeled Progress. This is where you can choose which types of tasks you want to display based on their status. Under Progress, you'll see options like Not Started, In Progress, and Completed. To hide completed tasks entirely, make sure that Not Started and In Progress are selected. These represent all of your active or upcoming tasks. Then leave completed unselected. If it's already checked, click it once to remove the check. As soon as completed is unchecked, Planner will update your board so that only tasks that are not started or currently in progress remain visible. You won't see the completed task cards. And in many cases, you won't even see the completed sections at the bottoms of your buckets. It will look like a board containing only your active workload. This filter-based method is especially useful when you're reviewing what still needs attention in a meeting or planning session. And remember, you're not deleting anything, you're just changing the view. You can always bring completed tasks back into view later by reopening the filter panel and checking the completed option again.